Hello, my name is Ganesh Dange. My today's topic is Spring Container Dependency and IOC Inversion Control. First is a Spring Container. The Spring Container is a core part of Spring framework responsible for creating, managing, and configuring uh, the beans object that forms backbone of the application. It uses a dependency injection to bind the different components together. When a Spring application starts, the container reads configuration metadata, which can be XML annotation or Java configuration. It identifies the classes marked as uh, Spring beans and creates and manages this object at runtime. The container also control the life cycle. Simple container forced on dependency injection. It told loads being lazy only when requested application context. More feature rich container providing uh, additional to functionality like event propagation, AOP, and internationalization. Beans are preloaded during the setup of the application. Second is dependency injection. Dependency injection is a design pattern where object dependencies are provided to class rather than the class creating them itself. This allows for loose coupling between components, making the system more modules and easier to maintain. In Spring, DI can can be achieved in three main ways: constructor injection. Dependencies are passed via class constructor. Setter injection. Dependencies are injected via setter method. Field injection. Dependencies are injected directly into the field of class using annotation. Inversion of control. Inversion of control is a broader concept of which dependency injection is a subset. It refers to the principle that the control of object creation and management is transferred from the application code on framework. In this care on Spring container, a listen of classes managing their own dependencies. The Spring container takes responsibility for wetting together components and resolving dependency at runtime. This inversion allows developers to focus on the business logic while the container manages in infrastructure concern such as the creation life cycle and dependencies of object. IOC can achieve using different techniques, dependencies, dependency injection. The most common approach in Spring service located pattern another ways to achieve IOC, but less than used to modern Spring application due to uh, right, tighter tighter coupling. In summary, of Spring container is responsible for the managing the life cycle of beans.